They are still repairing our balcony. It's been a long time now. Yesterday was Diwali and I got my package, which was the silver play button, but because we were outside, I have to get it today. And this is what this vlog is going to be about. My first time ever getting a silver play button. Now I need the ID, my Indian passport. I tell you one thing, I'm so looking forward to it, and I find it a bit sad that I couldn't be there when it came yesterday, but it doesn't matter, like I can get it right now. I never really expected it to be so fast, to be honest. The people who are coming to Germany or who are already in Germany, the size of the audience becomes really small. So I was like, you know, 100,000 is something that I would really never be able to achieve, but now since it happened, I'm just like really curious. What if I make a Hindi channel? Would it be exactly the same? Would it run really well? Or would it take more time or something? Because after having 100,000 subscribers, I always had the plan of starting the Hindi channel properly. I tried once, but because of university workload, I could never really focus on it. But maybe now is the right time. Who knows? Let me know what you think in the comments. Our favorite church. Looks super nice, and autumn in general looks really beautiful here. And this is our favorite cafe. If you see any posts on Instagram of coffee or something, most probably it will be from this cafe. I finally have it here. This is so super nice. I'm already really excited. This feels nice, feels heavy, it's also big, so I really have to figure out where I want to place it afterwards. And right now I'll just unbox it. I don't think unboxing will take much because it's like really neatly packed and just a few cuts and it's open. This thing really arrived too fast, way too fast. I'm super excited about this. Let me just hide this part here, the address, and let's start with it. The packing is super nice. I'm really like curious what the insides are going to be. Take out the other parts here. Then how does it have to be? Alright, first damage has already happened. Let me see what's inside. Alright, that's out. We're going to see the packing. Holy shit. They completely changed it, man. This looks so super nice. Look, they changed the silver play button. Now it's more like a mirror in the middle and everything else is metallic, and they've already put some holes in the back where you can hang it. So here is presented to Bharat in Germany for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube silver play button, creators award. And now I'm personally so stoked about this. So this thing goes to every single one of you who has supported me in the entire journey, because to be honest, like 100,000 clicks, 100,000 people deciding to subscribe to you or your personality or to the ideas that you present, it's like an insane feeling, to be honest. The thing is, the funny part is, like, as long as you're in the school and you can give as many speeches you want, you can win as many competition as you want, you can have as much talent as you want, but unless you really bring it online and you start showing it to people and start seeing if people like it or not, it is like a real audit to whatever skill or whatever passion you have. And to be honest, I always thought that this audience that I have, like, we have a really small niche. It's like the people who want to come to Germany or who are already in Germany are watching these videos. It's like crazy. It's like really small. If it would be for US or something, it would definitely be way bigger. And 100,000 is something I never ever expected. So this is going to be the thumbnail. thank you so much to every single one of you who has been with us in this entire journey. 100,000 is a nice start. I want to take it further. And to be honest, Bharat in Germany channel, it's been 2 years now and I'm still figuring out what the channel is exactly going to be about, because definitely we are talking about education, we are talking about career, we are taking up some social issues once a while, but I don't know how exactly to confine it, or if I should confine it at all, because I feel like you cannot really just constrain one entire person into like some separate box that, okay, nah, just make videos about education, just make videos about lifestyle, just make videos about career or something. And I want to really diversify it. So most probably I really want to start a Hindi channel too. I saw like some other YouTubers doing that, like they have an English channel, then they have a Hindi channel. So yes, I will still see how exactly in which direction I have to take this channel, because I think that is going to be my decision, and your suggestions of course are always welcome. Also for the second channel, if nobody has seen it yet, you can check the second channel. I will put the link in the description. I uploaded 2 videos there, actually 3. One I had to make private because of some copyright strikes. And you can take a look if you like the content there, and you can let me know how you think about it. So for now, I'm just going to carry on with my day. Extremely happy and completely glad that I could get something like this, because man, this is crazy. I absolutely love it. In the next video, you will be able to see where this silver play button is placed, because that is going to be in the frame whenever I'm recording a video, because man, how can you not show this thing off? I have been invited to give a talk in Berlin next Thursday, that is 15th November. It's also Alina's birthday. I feel a bit sad that I will not be there when she comes back from work, but I feel like this is a very important opportunity to go out a bit, also make your name, or like at least make people aware about you in the German career scenario, job market and so on. So that is going to be the event from Online Career Tag from 4 p.m. till 4:15 p.m. They have given me a time slot. So anybody who is interested in coming and meeting me, you can register with the link given below, but otherwise I will also upload a separate video regarding that, and I will tell you more details regarding it. But anyways, thank you so much for all the support. Every single time you engage, every single time you take out your time to watch our videos or do something that I tell you to do. Like yesterday, I put on my Instagram stories that show me your Diwali celebrations, because I'm in Germany, we cannot see any kind of celebrations around us and it feels a bit weird. So people sent so many submissions and all of them are featured. Even TUHH said Happy Diwali to the Indian students in Hamburg. That's super nice, super cool university. Then afterwards, so many other students sent photographs, and it was like absolutely nice to see the different ways in which you guys were celebrating Diwali. So thank you so much. I know your Diwali has been super nice, but because you guys actually helped me in getting this thing, my Diwali this time has been extremely satisfying and super fun too. So thanks a lot for watching. The next video is going to be most probably about Bremen meetup that I will upload as soon as possible, because I think it is going to be really nice to see how it is so easy to connect even when you guys come to Germany and when we hang out together, do some weird things. But anyways, all of that for the next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you for this thing. I'm like super grateful, super thankful. Cannot be happier right now. So have a nice day, have a nice week, enjoy the rest of your holidays before the university starts again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.